Good afternoon, everyone. This is Phil Ware. I'm a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service office in Norman, and I'm here to give you a quick update on what we're expecting with the weather over the next few days. Starting off with today's forecast, we do have a risk for some severe weather, mainly across northwestern Oklahoma this evening. We're expecting thunderstorms to develop along a dry line out in the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles and slowly move eastward as we head into this evening. It looks like those storms are going to kind of be weakening as they head into our area, but especially across portions of northwestern Oklahoma, they're in the slight risk. We could still see some large hail up to golf ball size and perhaps some strong wind gusts in the 60 to 80 mile an hour range. Can't rule out a tornado with these storms, but the risk is fairly low today. As we head into tomorrow, we are expecting quite a few storms to develop along a cold front that's going to move into northern Oklahoma. Storms will initially develop by mid-afternoon tomorrow, with several supercells possible. The main risks with these storms would be very large hail up to the size of baseballs, strong damaging winds, and perhaps a few tornadoes. Eventually, as we head into the evening, these storms will start to merge into a line of storms that will head southeastward across the rest of the area. That will transition the main hazard from large hail and tornadoes into more of a damaging wind threat as we head later into the evening. And here's what we're expecting for the tornado potential tomorrow. As I mentioned, the highest potential will be earlier in the event during the mid-afternoon to early evening hours as those storms initially develop across northern Oklahoma and move into central Oklahoma, with the highest potential, as you can see here, across portions of east central Oklahoma extending into eastern Oklahoma. And finally, for those of you that may be wondering about the timing of these storms, here's a look at what we're thinking right now. As I mentioned, the storms will first develop in northern Oklahoma, anywhere from 2 to 9 p.m. for areas from Woodward to Enid to Ponca City, and move southeastward from there with storms reaching the I-40 corridor during the early to mid-evening hours from 6 p.m. to midnight, and then portions of southeastern Oklahoma and western North Texas won't see storms until mid to late evening and overnight, anywhere after 9 p.m. This is just a first look at the timing. We'll be refining this as we get closer tomorrow, so be sure to check back for updates. Given the fairly wet pattern that we've been in, it likely won't take a ton of rainfall to cause potential flooding concerns. So we do have a marginal risk for flash flooding across most of the area, with slightly higher potential from central Oklahoma into northern Oklahoma as well. So that's all we have for now. Be sure to check back for future updates. You can see our website is listed there at weather.gov/Norman. We're also on social media on Twitter and Facebook. If you do see severe weather, we'd love to see your reports. They're very helpful for us. So when it is safe to do so, you can send those to us. The best way to reach us would be to send them on Twitter. And you can also see our phone number listed there. Hope everyone has a great day, and thank you for listening.